about 15 minutes. Oh, hello. Just got a little bit chilly. How is everybody today? 14th of December. Short one because I'm at work. And yeah, short one. I'm going paper crafting tonight, so I might do a little bit of footage of what I'm making and put that in tomorrow's vlog. But yes, shall we do yesterday's answer to the joke first? I hope you commented. I do. I hope you commented. So the joke was, what do you call a snowman's dog? And the answer is a slush puppy. Well done if you got that. Now, feels quite a big chunky one in here. Might be some chocolate. I could do with some chocolate. Got sausage, mash, broccoli and carrots for tea. A quick and easy one because, as I say, I'm going out and it's been a worky work day. Only 3 more worky work days left. Actually 2.5 because we finish early next Friday. Can't believe we're finishing so late. Anyway, let's do the joke first and then we'll have a look and see what's in here. Goodness, looking at the time here, it is going to be a short one today. And I've just got, you know when you get a bit of nail, a hang nail. Got a hang nail. Need to find my little thing to chop it off. Oh, it's a blooming another snowman joke. I thought we'd gone off snowman jokes. Maybe the people at Bothy Threads have got a thing about snowmen. So again, I'm not going to tell you the answer. You'll have to come back tomorrow. Yes, you will. What do you call a snowman with a 6-pack? Answers down below. Can't even read that. I need my magnifier. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yes. If anybody gets the answer to that before, yeah, I'll if anybody puts the answer to that before I schedule Friday's video, I might do a little secret giveaway. Look, you see, I'm just making that worse now. I'm not giving you the finger, it's my index finger. Anyway, had fun at knitting last night. It was nice to see my friends. Yes. We have some of these. We have 3 of these Lindor truffles. I absolutely love these. I look like Rudolph, don't I? I think that might be the thumb. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Rudolph, the red-nosed Ashley. I have got a red nose because I drink too much wine. Anyway, that's it. I'm going now. Oh, no, I haven't done soup of the day. Oh, I'll tell you what. This trying to get ahead. I've forgotten all my plans. So, 14th. What is soup of the day? Oh, it is a very luxurious one. Lobster and leek. You need 2 cooked lobsters, 700 grams each, 1.5 litres of water, a bay leaf, pinch of salt, 50 grams of butter, 2 small onions finely chopped, 1 large leek chopped, 1 medium carrot chopped, 4 medium potatoes peeled and chopped, 275 millilitres of milk, 1 glass of dry white wine, half a lemon juice of, and 10 millilitres of single cream. Well, I've got the lemon and I've got the cream and I've got the carrot and I've got the onion and I've got the salt and the butter and the bay leaf and the potato, but I haven't got the lobster, so I won't be making that. That's it. I am going now. I'll be back tomorrow.